Hey guys, if you missed our lesson today on April 22nd, here's what we talked about. We introduced geometry and we're going to do another activity that has to do with it next week. But for today, we're just working on identifying some plane and solid shapes. So we'll go ahead and post on Dojo a link to the BrainPop video there's one about plane shapes and about solid shapes. So feel free to log into BrainPop Junior and go to math, and you will find in measurement or geometry. I can't remember which one. I think it's geometry. Um, you'll see both of those videos, which are great to watch. So today we're going to work on identifying plane and solid figures. So you will need to know the plane shapes are squares, rectangles, and circles. And we like to call these 2D shapes. They're flat as a way to describe them. And then the solid figures that we work with are spheres, cubes, and rectangular prisms. And sometimes you hear these described as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Now in Number Corner this year, we've also learned about some other solid shapes, such as the pyramid, not a triangle, sorry, a pyramid. Sometimes there's a cylinder and a cone. Another plane shape that you might have talked about in Number Corner, and I know you've had it in the past, is actually a triangle. So this is a rectangle on the left, as well as a rectangular prism. And as you can see, it goes from being flat to popping up, as I like to say, where it has different sides to it. When you look at this, we have a flat circle, which when we turn it into a solid shape, it becomes a sphere. And this dotted line is what you can't see, but it shows us the dimension. The next one on the left, we have the plane shape of a square. And then on the right, we have a cube. So we did a quick game of guess the shape. So we're going to give you about 3 seconds to figure out which one you think it is, and we'll see if you were right. So to start with, we have this shape. This is actually one we talked about at Number Corner. So what shape is it? It's the cylinder. It has the circle on top. There's actually a circle on the bottom. And then when we take a giant rectangle laid out flat and curve it, it makes the side. Oh, sorry about that. This one was the pyramid. We also talked about it at Number Corner. What shape is this? It is a plane shape. It is flat. It is a square. All right, take a look at this shape. This is another solid shape we talked about in Number Corner. What shape is it? It's a cone. This shape is a plane shape. It is flat, is two-dimensional. It is a triangle. For this shape, when you look at it, it is three-dimensional. It's a solid shape. This is a big one, rectangular prism. And I will say, you can see the rectangle side and the rectangle side, and you know there's one back behind there and on this side. And you'll notice that this right here looks like a rectangle, and the same would be down here, but these can also be squares on the sides as well. What shape is this one? It's three-dimensional. It's a solid shape. It is a cube. What shape is this? It is a plane shape. It is flat. It's 2D. It is a circle. What shape is this? Notice it has this little dotted line, which is kind of showing us that it bumps out. It is three-dimensional. It looks like a circle, but it is a sphere. What shape is it? This is a plane shape. It is flat. It is two-dimensional. It is a rectangle. Now, if you want to, you can number your paper 1 through 25. But if you would like to, you can just guess in your head and we'll see if you're right each time. So we have a picture of something. Take a look at our choices over here and decide which one of these is this shape. So I'll give you about 3 seconds. And this shape is actually not listed. It would be G, other, and it is a cylinder, like a can of soup or a soda can. What shape is this? Give you a couple seconds to look at your choices. The answer is G. This one is actually a pyramid. You'll notice it has a triangle on this side, a triangle here. There's a triangle back there and a triangle back there, and a square along the bottom. It is three-dimensional. It is a pyramid. What shape is this? Notice it has no lines. It is flat. It is 2D. It is D. It is a circle. All right, let's take a look at the next one. What shape is this? Take a look at your choices. It is G, other. And to challenge you, in case, since it wasn't listed, it was a cone. What shape is this? It is two-dimensional. It is flat. It is a G, other, and it would be a triangle. What shape is this? Notice it's three-dimensional. If you said F, you are correct. It is a rectangular prism. What shape is this? Notice it's flat. It's 2D. Looks a little bit longer on two of the sides. If you said E, rectangle, you are correct. The next one, it is flat. It is 2D as well. It looks like all the sides are the same. If you said A square, you are correct. The next one, what shape is this? It's three-dimensional. It's a solid shape. If you said B cube, you are correct. What shape is this? Notice we have this dotted line which stands for dimension, so we know that it's three-dimensional. This one, if you said C sphere, you are correct, like a ball or marbles. What shape is it? It's a 3D, three-dimensional shape, solid shape with the top as a circle, the bottom is a circle, and when we fold a rectangle, curve it, we make this. If you said G other, you're correct. And if you think you know the name of it, here it comes. If you said cylinder, you were correct. Like a can of soda or a can of soup. So here we go. We have another solid three-dimensional shape, like a dice or sometimes a tissue box. What do you think it is? If you said B cube, you are correct. How about this one? It is three-dimensional. If you said G other, it is a pyramid. What shape is this? It is flat. It is a plane shape. Kind of like, I don't know, I'm trying to think of something like a Cheez-It's, pretty flat. If you said A square, you are correct. What shape is this? It is flat. Kind of like the spots that Mr. Wooldridge uses on the floors to mark spots. And Miss Sennett uses. It is a D circle. What shape is this? Has a circle at the top, and then it's a shape that is not a plane shape, but it has been curved to make this three-dimensional. If you said G other, you're correct. It would be a cone, like an ice cream cone or a traffic cone flipped upside down or a party hat flipped upside down. All right, take a look at this one. It looks like a sheet of paper or a beach towel. It would be E, a rectangle. And here we go. It has this dotted line, so it's three-dimensional, like a ball or like marbles. If you said C, sphere, you are correct. What shape is it? Looks like a block or a Jenga piece. Looks like it could be a Lego. If you said F rectangular prism, you are correct. That's a sideways tissue box. Oh, speaking of tissue boxes, notice this one. It has rectangles on some of the sides and squares on some of the sides. If you said F rectangular prism, you are correct. What shape is this? Looks tasty. If you said G other, you're correct. It would be a cone. What shape is this? A can of peas. If you said other G, you're correct. It was a cylinder. This basketball. Think about a real life basketball. If you said C sphere, you are correct. How about this dice? Has squares around the sides. If you said B cube, you are correct. How about this? Located in Egypt as one of the places. If you said G other, it is a pyramid. Now, you really got to challenge your brain on this one. Put on your thinking cap. Our shapes have been broken down and taken apart, and we need to identify which shape they are when they get put back together. So notice we have a rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle, and a rectangle. These pieces are just to help hold it together. What shape do you think this would be if we folded it up? If you said rectangular prism, you're correct. For this one, notice we have a square, 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 and square. 6 squares. Which solid shape uses 6 squares when folded to make it? If you said cube, you are correct. And this one, it's very pretty. If we were to fold it, what would it make with 4 triangles and a square? If you said pyramid, you're correct. Now, what would this shape make, this solid shape, using 2 circles and a rectangle? If you said cylinder, now this is your last challenge for this lesson. Your parents or whoever is working with you today are going to give you about 2 minutes. We want to see if you can find at least one object around your house that is shaped like either a cube, a rectangular prism, or a sphere. You don't have to find one of each. You just if you could just try to find one object that's shaped like one of those things, that'd be great. But if you really want a challenge, try to find one thing that's shaped like a cube, one that's like a rectangular prism, and one that's like a sphere. And if you feel up to it, share with your teacher so we can see what you found also. Good luck. Great job today.